Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your new class 9th L and 9th N. I hope you all are keeping well and following the SOPs to overcome this global pandemic. Students, you must be knowing that this session of yours is general group and the voice you are hearing is of your class teacher. I warmly welcome you all to this new academic year once again. My name is Alexander Isman and I am your class teacher for class 9th N. I'll be teaching you two subjects, general mathematics and English for this academic year. So this is your English book 1 for class 9 which we will be using for this academic year. This book is published by Sindh Textbook Board Jamshoro. Students, you have to maintain a register of 300 pages in which we will be doing all our work, right? Importance of English. It plays an essential role in our lives. It is an international language in the world. Most people are using this language in daily life. It plays an essential role to communicate with other countries. It is the main language for studying any subject all over the world. It is important for students as it broadens their minds. Most of the literature is written or translated in English. Most of the writers write in English language due to vast majority of readers know English and they can describe their ideas best in the English language. It is important to speak effectively. People get impressed by those who have good communication skills. English helps you to improve your communication skills. If you have good communication skill, your confidence will be gained automatically. Effective English language skills helps you to meet your career goals quickly. Since English is a part of the global world, so it helps you to interact with others. You can have more career opportunities than others if you have effective communication skills. Core skills of English language. Every language skill depends upon 4 core skills. These 4 skills are very essential for learning any language. Number 1, listening skills. It improves the vocabulary and imagination of a learner. Second, speaking skills. When you learn to speak, you get to know your mistakes and you can improve it further. Number 3, reading skills. Reading a book or a passage helps in improving the vocabulary and concentration of a learner. Number 4, writing skills. It helps to write and improve our spellings. Whatever we imagine, we can put them in words for others. How to improve your English language skills. Learn 10 words daily. Try to speak with your friends, teachers, family, etc. Watch news channels, movies, serials, cartoon, game shows and try to understand them. Participate in group discussions, you will gain confidence. Read English magazines, newspapers, storybooks, novels to improve your vocabulary. Practice speaking skills for 5 minutes daily in front of the mirror. Start thinking in English and write stories to improve your handwriting and speaking skills. Never feel shy. No one is perfect. One can learn only by speaking. Make a habit of interacting with your friends in English. I will help you a lot to speak with fluency. It will remove your hesitation and shyness. Students, this is your online class timetable. So I will be posting your lessons on 2 days, that is Wednesday and Friday. And the timings are mentioned over there. Rules for online classes. Be prepared beforehand for the class according to the timetable. Make sure your internet connection is uninterrupted and smooth. Try to complete your assigned tasks, homework within the deadline, preferably the same day. Ensure to submit your assignments, projects within the assigned deadline. In case of any ambiguity, queries, issues, feel free to contact me via Google Classroom, private comments or WhatsApp group. Students, we all are trying to overcome this pandemic, which has lasted for more than a year now. Therefore, it is very important that we play our part as responsible citizens and obedient students. I expect that you all will take your online classes seriously and regularly and will be submitting your assignments, quizzes and projects on time. Please feel free to approach me for any matter, issue or queries either on Google Classroom or WhatsApp group. Hope to see you soon all. Be safe. God bless you. Thank you.